Mr. Speaker, there are no more vulnerable members of our society than the children and youth of Canada. Absolutely. We as a government have the responsibility to protect these children from the myriad of perils and dangers that threaten them every day. The large number of arrests associated with Project Salvo only underscores some of the grave risks our children may face. Could the Parliamentary Secretary please update this House on the important work being done by the RCMP and other police agencies to protect our children and keep them safe from those seeking to prey upon them?
Excellent question.
The Honourable Parliamentary Secretary to the Minister of Public Safety.
Well, thank you, Mr. Speaker, and let me thank my colleague for such an excellent question. Let me start by stating that nothing is more important to this government than the safety and well-being of our children. I am pleased to advise this House of the results of Canada's largest ever investigation into child sexual victimization on the Internet. Led by the RCMP National Child Exploitation Centre, Project Salvo has resulted in the arrest of more than 50 individuals. I would like to thank all of those officers and individuals for their tireless efforts to combat child victimization and track down online predators. I want to reiterate our government's commitment to end this horrific abuse and to protect our nation's children.